Glowworms illuminate New Zealand nights. Deep within New Zealand's enchanted forests, mysteries unfold. Amongst ancient trees, glowworms create a mesmerizing light show. So, how do they spark such wonder? An entomologist steps in, revealing the secrets of bioluminescence. Here's the twist. These glowing crumbs are nature's clever camouflage. Combining chemistry and light, glowworms dazzle, not only to attract mates, but also to lure prey into their traps. It's like nature's very own spotlight drama. Suddenly, just when you piece it all together, you're left marveling. What else might nature's glow reveal?